one of the injuries I think a lot about are calf injuries, Achilles injuries, sort of tendon injuries. This is, I think, one of the things that becomes a real problem for people as they age. You often hear about people my age tearing an Achilles.
Yeah.
It's a devastating injury. Now, again, it's not devastating in that you won't recover from it, but boy, it's going to take you out of commission for 6 months. A lot of these injuries happen because the individual still has strength, but they've kind of lost some of the pliability in the tendon because they've kind of lost some of the jumping. That's why I always start these workouts with low level of jumping. And I'll progress to higher levels of jumping. But jumping is actually a very important part of training. And it's one of the things that we take for granted. But boy, when your ability to jump is gone, and jumping, by the way, can mean like just initiating a jump, but it can also mean jumping off something and stopping yourself. Those are really important skills. And so like something like jumping rope is really important, right? Your feet are just kind of moving like that. They're acting as shock absorbers. Calves and Achilles have to constantly change in length. And that accommodation is a really important part of resilience. And I think that should be an important part of everybody's warm up at a minimum, if not part of their workout.